So welcome again to yet another Talanta City renovations update. This is Shelton Online TV, and kindly subscribe to our channel. And if you want to advertise here, kindly email us on sheltononlinetv@gmail.com. So today is much of a very busy day as normal. As you can see, the fundis are on site, the mansions are on site, and today, as you can see down there, they are actually measuring the seat. This is in preparation for the December deadline of Talanta City Stadium. So the seats are being measured, and within some times they will be ready. So guys, support. This is just a general overview of Talanta City Stadium, and as you can see, the progress is ongoing. And so please guys, make sure you subscribe to Shelton Online TV as I take you through this beautiful journey of the Talanta City Stadium. And also make sure that you watch my previous video of the Kasarani Stadium. So I'll be going inside the Kasarani Stadium to bring you an indoor facility and the progress of the stadium. So make sure you follow me, make sure you put the notification on. And if you want to support my travels, guys, so you can actually use these numbers, and make sure you will share, like, subscribe, and comment down. This is the Atlanta Hela Stadium construction updates on Shelton Online TV. Keep it here all the time as I take you through this beautiful journey of this beautiful stadium, 60,000 capacity stadium in Kenya that is set to host the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. So guys, this is a raw footage, and enjoy this amazing video. Tushie.
Ukiwa ndani zinafanyika
Unaona tu.
hata tunaweza ipanda tu, tunaweza panda tu na hivi juu.
Twende.
Pande. Wewe utapandaje? Na huko
Tuishie.